Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gekleurd Scrap Journal. Excuse me. So, you have seen the flip through from Lysandra, and I promised to make a journal, but my journals are usually this big, and I have everything printed, and I hear no, it's not good, it's not printing good, it must stand up. So I print everything again, and yes, it's a small, for me is a small tiny journal. So it's not finished, it's only the update from my journal with the signatures. But I show you the cover. I do not know is the cover ready or not, but for so far, yes it is. Okay, that's the front of the cover. I call all the girls Lysandra. A beautiful flower with a pearl. I believe it's called spinning. Lots of things. It's for me busy. Roses, bling bling with hearts. I hope you can see it. Cards, because on Lysandra journal is a lot of bling in it, so I found those more bling in a dollar store, and I have bought it. So, and this is the back, another Lysandra with a golden flower. And so we are going to start within. I have choose for the background kind of old paper because I like vintage colors, and I have this with rope. The back side is also Old English text. I have here another gorgeous Lysandra, the jewels, and I have printed some on photo paper. You can see the shining. I have some old pages in it. Look how gorgeous it is. Music page, a page for writing, another Lysandra. Oh, this is my favorite portrait. I love portraits. Another page to write in. Another one, and you can see I believe, yes, this is on photo paper, and this is that I print wrong, and this is on normal paper, so I don't throw away the wrong papers. Look, I can make some things of it. Okay, next, black roses, ivory roses, page to write, the girl with the tattoos, writing page, writing pages, and I have 3, I call it folders. Piece of black paper, paper with lace, I love this kit so much. It's really gorgeous. And this kit is from Mindfullimage. So this is on the back. You can see I have more put it more down, and here put it more up. Maybe I do something right here. Okay, this is what is my update from Lysandra, and I hope that you like it. You can give me a thumbs, you can subscribe, you can ever do what you like to do. Bye bye, and I'll see you next time.